Hello everyone, welcome to Manyata cooking classes once again. Today we are going to make Nariyal ki barfi and Nariyal ki laddu. So let's get started. These are all the ingredients: desiccated coconut powder, 1.5 cup of sugar, green cardamom powder, desi ghee. Let's cook together. Now here I have took a mold of my own choice. Now I have placed in it a parchment paper and we will grease it with ghee. Now here I have took a kadai. We will put 1 tablespoon of ghee in it. Let it melt. As you can see, it has melted. Now we will put 3 cups of desiccated coconut powder in it. And roast it on low flame for 3 minutes. Now I am putting 1.5 cup of sugar in it. We will mix it well and keep stirring until the sugar dissolves. Now I am adding 1 cup of milk in it. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of green cardamom powder and mix it well. So our mixture is ready. We will put the prepared mixture in the greased box. I have flattened it with the help of a spoon. Now we have to let it rest for 1.5 hours. Now we will grease a plate. Now we will take the leftover mixture in our hands in small quantities and roll it into a fine ball. Our Nariyal ki laddu are ready. Now we will let them rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can enjoy tasty Nariyal ki laddu. Our Nariyal ki barfi is also ready. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.